our 9 feet canopy kitchen hood. First off, the overall dimensions. We have an overall length of 108 inches, 9 feet. A height of 24 inches. And a depth, 47¼ inches. Coming to the interior of the hood, removable grease trap filters. Each grease trap can be removed from its track and reinserted onto the frame. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. Dimensions for the interior of the hood will include 9 feet 108 inches and a height of 30 inches. Located on the top left and right center will be the light bulbs. Each light bulb will be NSF and UL certified with the stickers indicated on the top. Also included will be 2 removable grease trap oil pans on the lower and right column. Each pan can be removed and reinserted onto the bolt holding the oil pans. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming to the back of the hood will be the left and right lamp bases holding the light bulbs on the other side of the hood. Each lamp base will include 3 3/4 inches in length by 3 3/4 inches in height. The lamp bases are holding the wires for the light bulbs located on the other side of the hood. Coming to the bottom will be the air gap, with the air gap measuring 22 inches in length by 12 inches in height. Measurements for the interior of the air gap will be 20 inches in length, 10 inches in height, by 4 inches in thickness. Will be between the left and right lamp bases will be the left, center, and right columns. Each column will measure 33 inches in length by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right furthest column, with the bottom column measuring 33 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in height. Measurements applied for the first center column will include 30.5 inches in length by 9 1/4 inches in height. Measurements for the bottom center column will include 30 1/4 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in height. Located on the top and bottom left and right corners will be the brackets. Brackets will include 2.5 inches in length by 2.5 inches in height by 3 inches wide for each bracket. And coming to the left will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.